Dialogue 1. A conference call.
Hi, John. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's new?
I have a conference call soon.
Oh, really? With whom and why?
With my boss and the VP.
Wow, that sounds important. What for?
They want to discuss my project.
How do you feel about that?
I'm nervous, but also excited.
I understand. You worked hard on it.
Yes, I did. Thank you, Nancy.
You're welcome, John. You'll do great.
I hope so. I need your help.
Sure, how can I help you?
Can you practice with me? Please?
Sure, no problem.
Dialogue 2. Nervous about a conference call.
I'm so nervous about this call.
Why are you nervous, Tina?
It's a video call with CTO.
So what? You are very smart.
But what if I say something stupid or silly?
You won't. Just be yourself.
That's easy for you to say.
Trust me, you have nothing to worry about.
But video calls are so awkward.
They are not that bad.
You can't see their body language.
But you can hear their tone.
And what if they see me sweating?
They won't. Just look confident.
How do I look confident?
Smile, nod, and speak clearly.
Dialogue 3. A tight deadline.
Why are you working late again?
Boss wants project done early.
That is a tight deadline.
Yes, it is very stressful.
Can I help you somehow?
No, thank you for offering.
You should take a break.
I can't, too much work.
How about this weekend?
I will work all weekend.
That is not healthy, John.
I know, but I have to.
You don't have to please him.
He is my boss, Nancy.
He is exploiting you, John.
Maybe, but I need this job.
Dialogue 4. 2 reports due.
Hi, John. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you, Jim?
I'm fine too. Any plans ahead?
Yes, I do. I'm going camping.
Camping? That sounds fun. Where to?
To the national park near here.
Oh, I know that place. Beautiful.
Yes, it is. I love nature.
Me too. Who are you going with?
With my family and some friends.
How nice. How long will you stay?
Just for the weekend. 2 nights.
Do you have everything you need?
I think so. Tent, sleeping bag, food.
Don't forget the flashlight and matches.
Good point. Thanks for the reminder.
You're welcome. Have a great time.
Thank you. What about you, Jim?
I'm staying home. Maybe watch Netflix.
Netflix? Any good shows to recommend?
Well, I'm watching Stranger Things now.
Oh, I love that show. Awesome.
Yeah, it is. Very thrilling.
I agree. Enjoy your binge watching.
Thanks. I will. See you later.
See you. Bye, Jim.
Bye, John.
Dialogue 5. Moving to a different department.
I'm leaving customer service tomorrow.
I heard the news. I'm sorry.
It's not fair. I hate accounting.
Maybe it won't be so bad.
How can you say that? It's boring.
You're good with numbers, right?
I guess so. But still,
You'll learn new skills. That's good.
maybe. But I'll miss you guys.
We'll miss you too, John. A lot.
You're the best team ever.
Thanks. You're a great colleague.
Can we stay in touch?
Of course. We'll call you often.
Thanks, Steve. You're very kind.
No problem, John. Good luck.
Dialogue 6. A promotion.
Hey, John. Congrats on your promotion.
Thank you, Jim. I'm very excited.
You should be. You worked hard for this.
I did, but I'm also nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Well, it's a big responsibility. I have to manage a lot of people and projects.
You can handle it. You have the skills and experience.
Thanks, Jim. That means a lot.
No problem. Just be confident and cooperative.
Cooperative? What do you mean?
I mean, don't be too bossy or arrogant. Listen to your team and respect their opinions.
I see. That makes sense.
Trust me, it will make your job easier and more enjoyable.
Okay, I'll try to do that.
Good. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I do. How do you deal with difficult clients?
Well, that's a tricky one.
Dialogue 7. Living in the office.
Hey, Davis. Working late again?
Yes, Steve. Too much to do.
You should go home on time.
It's not easy, you know that.
I know, but it's important.
Important for what? For whom?
For yourself. For your health.
Health? What health? I'm fine.
No, you're not. You're stressed.
Stressed? Maybe. But what can I do?
You can do less. Delegate more.
Delegate? To whom? They're all busy.
Then talk to your boss. Explain.
Explain? He won't listen. He'll fire.
He won't. He needs you.
He needs me to work hard.
Dialogue 8. Work-life balance advice.
Hi, Steve. Can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it, John?
How do you balance work and life?
It's not easy, but possible.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, you need some strategies.
Like what? Can you share some?
Of course. First, set your priorities.
How do I do that, Steve?
Think about what matters most to you.
Family, friends, health, happiness, I guess.
Those are good ones, John.
And then what? How to balance them?
Well, you need to manage your time.
Time management, yes. Any tips for that?
Yes, use a calendar, make a schedule.
Okay, I see. Anything else, Steve?
Yes, learn to say no sometimes.
No to what? To work demands?
Yes, or to anything that stresses you.
I see. That sounds hard, though.
It is, but it's worth it.
Dialogue 9. Working overtime.
Working overtime again, Davis?
Yes, I have a lot to do.
Don't you get tired of it?
No, I don't mind working late.
What about your family or friends?
I don't have any of them.
Really? That's sad. Don't you feel lonely?
No, I'm fine by myself.
But don't you want some company?
No, I don't need anyone else.
How do you spend your weekends?
I just work or watch TV.
That sounds boring. Don't you have hobbies?
No, I don't have time for them.
You're missing out on life, Davis.
No, I'm happy with my work.
Well, I hope you're right.
I am. Thanks for your concern.
Dialogue 10. Having to work late.
Hey, Davis. Working late again?
Yeah, boss wants this report done.
That's too bad. Any plans tonight?
Well, I had anniversary dinner plans.
Oh, no. That's terrible. What happened?
I had to cancel them. Again.
Your wife must be very upset.
She is. She hates my job.
I don't blame her. It sucks.
Tell me about it. It's awful.
Why don't you stand up to him?
He'll fire me if I do.
Then maybe you should find another job.
I've been thinking about that lately.
You should. You deserve better.
Thanks, Bill. You're a good friend.